Hi there, grade 8 students. This is Teacher JB, and we are down to our third lesson this week. Our lesson is Vocabulary Selection of a Million-Year-Old Bubbles Revealed Antarctica's Oldest Climate Snapshot. Please turn your literary companion on page 234 and make sure you have your materials ready. Our learning objectives are: first, determine the meaning and the usage of the words, and second is use the words in meaningful sentences. But before we continue with our lesson, let me review you from yesterday's lesson. So yesterday's lesson is a structured paragraph. I used the analogy of a burger to show you how structured a paragraph should be. Sure. An informational text usually consists of a structured paragraph. A structured paragraph consists of topic sentence and backed up with supporting details such as facts, description, statistics, and examples. Some topic sentence can be located at the beginning or at the end of the paragraph. It can be stated directly or it could be implied. Let's not prolong the agony and let's start with the vocabulary skill of this week. First, ancestral. Ancestral is an adjective that means relating to an ancestor or to older times. Sample sentence: we visited the ancestral house of my best friend. It was old but still firmly standing. Second word is denotes. Denotes is a verb that means identifies or describes. Sample sentence: the dictionary denotes the meaning of the words. The third word is scour. Scour is a verb that means clean roughly. Sample sentence: my dad scours the sticky stain in the pan. Fourth word is correlation. Correlation is a noun that means relationship or connection between two or more things, especially when one may cause the other. Sample sentence: research showed a clear correlation between MERS and coronavirus. Fifth word is emissions. Emissions is a noun that means substance discharged into the air. Sample sentence: chemical emissions from factories is one of the major sources of air pollution. And the last word is variability. Variability is a noun that means change. Sample sentence: a great variability of people infected with coronavirus is shown in the chart after the curfew was implemented. Let us practice and apply these vocabulary words. Pause this video as you answer the following questions. Practice A. Complete each sentence with vocabulary word that has a similar meaning to the word in parentheses. Let's see if you have the same answer. The blank discharges from the volcano cover the valley with ash. The answer: emissions. 2. If you clean the pan thoroughly, all that grease will come off. Answer: scour. 3. In mathematics problems, it is important to know what every symbol identifies. Answer: denotes. Practice B. Answer each question yes or no. Then explain your answer. 1. When there is a variability in the temperature, do you tend to alter what you wear? Answer: yes. If there's a variability, there's a change in temperature, and that would cause me to wear different clothes. 2. If a certain behavior results in an uncertain outcome, is there a correlation? Answer: yes. A correlation is a close relationship between two things. 3. If you scour something, do you then have to clean it? Answer: no. If you scour something, you've already cleaned it. Apply. Write a sentence using the boldface vocabulary word showing that you understand the meaning. These are some possible answers. Strategy. Our lesson today is multiple meaning words. To figure out the intended meaning of the multiple meaning word,
we should use context and other clues such as words part of speech or how the word is used in sentences.
let us practice and apply. Select the word definition of the boldface word in each sentence. Consider text and the part of speech given. 1. The proceeds from the fundraiser will help pay for the class trips. Does that mean continuous or profits received? If you answered profits received, you are correct. Number 2. The content of the essay was hard to grasp. Is it the topic or matter in a written work? Or satisfied or pleased? If your answer is the topic or matter in a written work, you are correct. 3. I had to crane my neck to see around the sharp corner. Is it stretched towards something? Or a large machine for moving heavy items? If you answer stretched towards something, you are correct. 4. This experiment has no object for us to work toward. Is it to firmly oppose or the goal? If you answered goal, you definitely got it right. In summary, scour means cleaning roughly and variability means a significant change. And second, use context clues and other clues in identifying the definition of the words with multiple meaning. I hope that you learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of New Vision International School. See you on the next video. Bye!